Are you trying to decide between WhisperFlow and SuperWhisper? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you make the best choice. Both WhisperFlow and SuperWhisper serve a similar purpose. They help you communicate better, whether for personal use or business needs. Let's dive into what each tool offers. WhisperFlow is known for its user-friendly interface. It allows you to send messages easily and quickly. The design is clean, making it simple to navigate. Users appreciate its focus on clarity and speed. On the other hand, Super Whisper shines with its advanced features. It offers more options for customization and privacy. Many users love its ability to create secure chats. This makes it a great choice for sensitive conversations. Now, let's look at the key differences. WhisperFlow is perfect for those who want something straightforward. It's great for quick messaging without any fuss. Super Whisper, however, is better for users who need extra features and privacy settings. When it comes to features, WhisperFlow focuses on ease of use. You can get started right away. Super Whisper offers more tools like encrypted messaging and group chats. If you need those extras, it might be the better pick. Pricing is another important factor. WhisperFlow usually has a simpler pricing model. It's often more affordable for casual users. Super Whisper might cost a bit more, but it offers features that justify the price for serious users. So, who should choose what? If you want a quick and easy messaging tool, go for WhisperFlow. But if you need advanced features and enhanced privacy, Super Whisper is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.